We're going to play I Am Cat. Oh, where's Granny? Oh, hi, dumb Granny. Are you sure you had a great day? Here is your thing after you're going to say to your nasty nice cat. You'll be fine, joke from me like that. First, I need to throw you by this vase. Oh, look at Granny. She's died like a piggy, man. Come on, throw your face to mine. Here's your pickup prank. Next, wait until she reaches from Adam throw to her mouth by this glycerine. Oh, Granny's wake up. Do you want to try this glycerine? It's special. Oops, it wasn't on her mouth. I need to go somewhere for defense power. Oh yes, I'm going to take this kind of thing. Oh, don't go jail for me. You get some jail for me. I get some one of those jail for me. I gotta get one of those jail for me. I get one of those jail for me. Well, at least still better than Patrolman. What? You didn't fall? How? Tell me. Yes, her tooth fell down. That's wrong. Her tooth. And let's go to the next level. Oh. Let's go up there. It's kind of peaceful. You dumb Granny. Oh, it's low on her shin. So funny. I guess this lorry should pay.